Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to Photoshop something out of a picture. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to import the image. In this tutorial, I want to remove the cursor so we can make a selection first. I will use lasso tool and click and drag to make a selection around the car. And then we can go to Window and Show, Contextual Taskbar. And then we can find Generative Fill button, click it. And then we can leave it blank and click Generate and wait a moment. After generating, we can go to Properties window. We can have 3 variations: the first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. If you want to have more variation, we can generate once again. I think the first variation is good, so we can make a selection to the right side and do the same thing. So this is how we can Photoshop something out of an image. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.